Hello everybody and welcome! In this video I will show you how to pair your speaker ANKER Soundcore BOOST with your PC. You have to start by press right click at the Windows icon, now go to Settings, Bluetooth, Add Device, Bluetooth. Now press Power button at your speaker and it should enter to pairing mode automatically, but if it doesn't, just press and hold 2 seconds at the power button. And now we should see it at the list, so just click on it and then click Done. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!